Hello everyone, I am VM Mahajan. We have learned in the previous lecture there are different properties of steel which may consist of chemical composition, rolling method, heat treatment and other properties of steel material, modulus of elasticity, Poisson ratio, shear modulus, coefficient of thermal expansion and ultimate tensile strength. We also learned in the last lecture, that is stress strain curve for Myers steel bar. Now our today's topic is various roll steel section. Before starting off next point, first we have to try to understand what is meant by roll steel section. A roll steel section is nothing but it is built up of, or it is manufactured or produced with a one piece. Following are the various roll steel section. First one is called as a roll beams and columns, which is nothing but the I section. You might have seen that in case of a railway track, the I section normally used for railway tracks. I section is consist of the thickness of the flange, which is denoted by the T suffix F. In the given first figure, where TW stands for thickness of wave, means the vertical component which is joined by the two flanges known as wave, where D is a depth of wave. In the next figure, known as roll channel section. Roll channel section may be similar leg is there or unequal leg is there. So in the given figure, it is the equal leg of roll channel section, which gives TF stands for thickness of flange of channel section, where TW is nothing but the thickness of wave of channel section, where depth of the channel section is denoted by the small h. As well as in the next figure, that is rectangular hollow section, likewise circular hollow section. Next, single angle section, which having a equal and unequal legs. If you consider horizontal part of angle section is leg A and another leg, that is B. If both legs are equal in length, then it is called as a equal angle section. If it is varying and vice versa, so it is called as a unequal angle section, where T roll sections are there. Again, unequal angle section which is placed back to back. Next, angle section is placed toe to toe. In the third figure, I section is given, but that I section is called as a built up section. Means two flanges are connected with the wave and which is joined by the welding. Means connections can be done by the either it is welding, riveting or bolts. But in the third figure, the top flange is connected with the wave by welding or welds. Similar, these are the some built up sections are there. Next, there are different roll steel sections are there. So dealing with first point is flat hot roll sections, which may consist of plate. If you go through the first figure, of A bit, which shows the one very small thickness of plate, which we are going to take into consideration of only thickness of that plate. B point, that is flat bar, which having some width of the section as well as thickness. So that flat bar we are going to take into consideration of B into T. In case of round bar, we are taking only diameter of the bar. Likewise, 8 mm bar, 10 mm, 12 mm, 20, 25, likewise. These are the diameter of the bar which is given in mm. Last one is called as a square bar. So dimension for square bar is A into A. The second type of roll sections known as hot roll beams, denoted by the B. As per the Bureau of Indian Standard IS 808 1989, first I section in the given figure, which shows the section is called as a hot roll section. Means it is manufactured or built up, manufacture by using a single piece. So it is called as a roll section. If you go through the given figure, there are two flanges are there, top flange and bottom flange, and which is rolled by the thickness of wave, denoted by the TW. If you go through the figure, so whatever the connections between top flange and the wave, the curve portion known as radius at root. Likewise, at the end of your top and bottom flange, radius at toe. Then top flange width is denoted by the B suffix F, where thickness of flange is denoted by the TF, and where H is the depth of your I section. As per the hot roll beams, according to BS standard IS 808 1989, there are different types of hot roll beams are there. First is called as a ISJB, stands for Indian Standard Joist, or which is known as a junior beam. ISLB, Indian Standard Light Beam. ISMB, Indian Standard Medium Weight Beam. ISHB stands for Indian Standard Heavy Weight Beam. ISW, Indian Standard Wide Flange Beam. ISSC stands for Indian Standard Column Section. These are the few hot roll beams are there. Next is hot roll channel sections. So again, in the given channel section figure, which gives the R1 is radius at root, denoted by the R1, and R2 stands for radius at toe, where width of the channel section denoted by the BF and depth of channel section is H, where thickness of top flange of channel section is TF, where in case of channel section R1 is similar at the both inner corners of channel section, that is R1, nothing but the radius at root. According to hot roll channel section, first channel section is ISJC, Indian Standard Joist or Junior Channel. ISLC stands for Indian Standard Lightweight Channel. ISMC, Indian Standard Medium Weight Channel. ISMCP, known as or stands for Indian Standard Medium Weight Parallel Flange Channel. Then four type of hot roll sections known as angle section, where leg A and leg B is equal, then it's called as equal angle section. If it is varying in the length, known as unequal angle section. If both legs are similar, we can call it as a what? Equal angle sections. So according to angle section, first type of angle section is known as ISEA, stands for Indian Standard Equal or Unequal Angle Sections. ISA, Indian Standard Angle. ISRQ, Indian Standard Round Bar. ISSQ, Indian Standard Square Bar. Last type of the roll I section is known as ISJT, Indian Standard Joist or Junior T sections. ISLT, Indian Standard Light T sections. ISST, Indian Standard Wide Flange T section. ISNT, Indian Standard Normal T sections, where R1 and R2 is what? Radius at root, and R2 is radius at toe. Means top flange is connected by the wave, where BF is width of the T section and TF is equal to thickness of the T section. Thank you.